Today, we're diving into a cool new privacy feature in iOS 18, hiding apps. This is a great way to keep certain apps out of sight, especially if you share your phone with others or want to minimize distractions. So, let's jump right in. All right, head to your home screen and locate the app you want to hide. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu pops up. You'll see an option called Require Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your device. Tap on that. Here's the key part. After enabling Face ID, you'll see a second option called Hide App. Tap this if you want the app to completely disappear from your home screen. Once hidden, the app icon and name vanish from your home screen. It won't show up in Spotlight search either. But the app isn't truly gone. It gets relocated to a special hidden folder within your app library. Keep in mind, hidden apps won't send you notifications. Swipe all the way to the right on your home screen pages until you reach the app library. Scroll down to the bottom of the app library. You'll see a folder called Hidden. This folder is protected. Tap on it, and your iPhone will require Face ID or Touch ID to unlock it and reveal the hidden apps inside. Locate the app you want to unhide and tap and hold its icon. A menu will appear. Tap on Don't Require Face ID or Touch ID. The app won't return to its original home screen spot, but it will be accessible again within the app library. That's all there is to it. Hiding apps in iOS 18 is a simple way to add a layer of privacy and declutter your home screen. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.